Hello, this is my personal introduction video submission for EDL 850, Module 1. My name is Jacqueline Michelle Norris, and I've been married for nearly 20 years. I have 3 incredible children ranging from first grade to sophomore in high school. This is my 11th year in teaching, and I've taught kindergarten, first grade, 4th grade, and now very comfortable teaching 8th grade science in middle school. I'd like to include my former career, that of an opera singer, because especially now, teaching science, I bring my classical training into the classroom when we study sound waves. I haven't broken the wine glass yet, but I'm working on it, and yes, I wear my safety glasses every time I try. My school administrators demonstrate knowledge of federal and state school laws by employing the local sheriff's office for the purposes of drug-sniffing dogs patrolling random classes at random times for public safety, by following all laws and protocols regarding the legalities of notices given to guardians regarding IEPs, and by developing testing protocol during administered SBAC, MAP, and end of course exams. My school administrators demonstrate knowledge of school board policies that provide a safe learning environment by providing reports on fund balance and account reporting, thus ensuring that each child receives appropriate educational funding throughout their schooling. My administrators also develop safety protocols for our visitors and volunteers. An example that supports these claims comes directly from the Douglas County School District Board policy that basically states that two-way communication with all stakeholders in the community is essential for a successful school district. Some examples of my personal knowledge of federal and state school laws, as well as school board policies, include the responsibilities to follow all students' accommodations in accordance with their IEP and 504s. I know that I'm required to sign a yearly contract that outlines my duties and responsibilities of that year. I'm aware that I am to keep lesson plans 1 week in advance and available for review. I'm required to participate in professional growth opportunities each year, and that the purpose of grading is to provide feedback to students and parents, and that these grades must be consistent with the educational strategies, goals, and objectives of the district, and those in turn are aligned with regulations of the Nevada State Board of Education. The state of Nevada utilizes the Common Core state standards, and these drive our instruction and grading. My proposed plan to improve and enhance my current knowledge of school law and board policies begins by reading and making myself familiar with the federal and state laws regarding school law, and by familiarizing myself with my district's bylaws. I will and have already started observing administrators during staff meetings and IEPs. I will observe the superintendent and board members during board meetings. During all these observations, I will be specifically looking for and making notes of application and references to school laws on the federal, state, and local level. Goal number 1 is to utilize the textbook of the course. There is a handy summary of federal statutes at the end of the book. Goal number 2 is to read through several of the Nevada state laws as they apply to topics introduced in the class. Goal number 3 is to become even more familiar with the board policies from my district. And goal number 4 is to attend board meetings and observe the administrator reports, observe discussion of, change in, or adoptions of any school board policies, take notes on discussions regarding safe learning environment, and pay attention to discussions regarding encouragement of all students to learn. My references include my local school district website, the Nevada Revised Statutes, or NRS codes, and the course textbook, A Teacher's Guide to School Law. Thank you kindly for reading, looking, listening, and beginning the EDL 850 school law journey together.